The Ultimate Lipo Glow Review. Tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. Most people think skincare products can transform their skin overnight, but here's the surprising truth. Consistency is what really delivers results. Lipo Glow is a popular beauty product marketed to give the skin a brighter, smoother, and healthier look. But does it live up to the hype? Start by understanding what the product claims. Lipo Glow is often promoted as a skin-enhancing formula that supports hydration and gives a radiant finish. It may be used as part of a daily beauty routine to help the skin appear more vibrant and nourished. Now, how do you use it properly? First, cleanse your face thoroughly. Apply a small amount of Lipo Glow to fingertips, then massage gently into the skin in upward circular motions. Most people apply too much, but here's why you shouldn't. A thin layer absorbs better and supports a more even result. Allow it to settle before applying makeup or additional products. Some users say their skin feels smoother and looks more refreshed after consistent use. Others mention that results can vary depending on skin type, lifestyle, and hydration habits. That's the key. No product can replace good daily care, sunscreen, and plenty of water. Before buying, check the ingredient list to make sure it matches your skin needs and sensitivities. Patch testing is a smart move for any new skincare product. In conclusion, Lipo Glow can support a brighter appearance as part of a balanced routine. From zero to pro means knowing what it does and what it cannot do alone. Your skin journey is personal, and the best results always come from patience, care, and confidence in your natural beauty.